Hi you guys. Okay, I'm here in Lily's room. Lily is officially becoming a teenager and her birthday is tomorrow. So I thought it would be super fun to decorate her room. We redid her room last year. I have a whole video tour on the before and after of this room, but we've kind of just enhanced it just a bit for the holidays, decorated it for Halloween. I just want to give you a quick tour of everything that we've done in this room just to get a little festive and make her room more fun for this time of year and because it's her birthday. Most everything that I used in this room is either from the dollar store or from Amazon, and I will put links in the description of this video if any of you are interested in any of the things that I've purchased just to decorate for Halloween for her teen bedroom. Hey Owen, we're gonna decorate Lily's room, huh?
Yeah, can I put these on?
Yeah. What are we gonna do?
I'm gonna decorate her room.
And make it really scary, huh?
Yeah.
Because it's her birthday, so we want to surprise her.
Her birthday?
Yeah, on Friday.
Yay.
Yeah, she's gonna be 13. So we're gonna make
How
her.
long is Friday?
5 days.
Yeah.
So we're gonna make her room look so scary. She's at school right now, and we're gonna surprise her, huh?
I know.
Oh, I like how you put that skull right there.
Yeah.
Oh, that's scary.
Can I try?
Yeah, here you.
See that?
What?
We should put this on a hanging thing. Oh, can I put it up there?
Yeah.
There.
Good job, buddy. That looks really
fine.
Oh.
The other one, Mom.
No. We gotta save those for other things.
Wait, one more?
No, because I gotta use those for other things.
Just one more.
Okay, last one.
Oops, sorry.
Did it hit the fish?
Yeah.
Whoopsies. We're gonna put a little bit of this candy corn oil in the oil diffuser.
Something more for sure.